How you doing, Desi? Good morning. How are you? Mm. Mm. Teresa is here. Hi, Teresa. Hi, I'm coming. I'm gonna get my laptop so I can be kind and go to everybody's home. Mm. Let me get my 9 o'clock. Where's my laptop? Yeah, I'm gonna get my laptop so I can go to your home. Right. Thank you for coming. I'm gonna go to your home and play a video today. Thank you all for being here. Please give a thumbs up. It is free, guys. Double tap the nose of Rain. Our doggy name is Rain. Double tap his nose. Double tap his nose, guys. Please double tap his nose. Double tap his nose for us. You can hit his nose. Hit his nose twice. It's free. Okay, hit his nose twice. I fell asleep watching video face dance hall last night. It's a cool party every night whenever he comes on. He was in Jamaica at a party and we watch it live. All right, so now let's go visit everyone that comments in the chat. We're gonna visit your home. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate it, because it hasn't been an easy road the past month, I should say. But I've been hanging in there. I haven't given up. It's like real life, real world. So YT is real world, real life. Can't give up. Let me go visit Desi Food because Desi Food was here first. So we're going to go to Desi Food for Family to see what's over there. Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Desi, for being here. Thank you so much. I've been zeroed the past for an entire month on my live. Zero views, zero views. So, okay, let's go watch. Let me see if I can say the words. Let's go watch. I'm gonna leave you. Let's see where I'm at. These look. Oh, flavorful curry sauce at Desi Food, guys. And I can see this is Desi Food, flavorful curry. She's making curry sauce. What is that? You're peeling. What is that you're peeling? You're peeling, oh, it's potatoes. Okay. Mm. I wonder if I should make curry today. Maybe I should make like curry beef today. I think I'll make some curry beef today for myself and the kids. I'm gonna look in the freezer to see if we have any beef. We're now watching Desi Food for Family Flavorful Curry Sauce, guys. So that's where we're at today. It'll be 7 minutes and 19 seconds. You just gave me an idea, Desi, to cook some curry today. I like curry. I love curry. It's the Indian in me. My mom is half Indian and my dad is full Indian. So just imagine. I eat a lot of curry. What I love to make one day with my mom, I don't know how to make it. My mom does, and I need to get her to make it as soon as possible. Pumpkin Katari. I don't know if you guys ever had it before. It's called pumpkin Katari, and it it's made with curry. You curry the pumpkin, I know that, and you add like roast codfish, roast salt fish. We call it saltfish. Yeah, so it's curry pumpkin with roast saltfish. That's what I like my mom to make for me. Seriously. Let's see. Yeah, we are at flavorful curry sauce. I have you running. You hear? Oh, mango. Oh, it's mango. That's interesting. It's mango. Because I just turned the sound on and I hear it's mango. Interesting. It's mango, guys. I have had curry mango, curry green mango. Lots of seasoning, cloves, anise. I know a lot of these spices. Nice. Thank you for sharing this. Desi Food for Family. I'm watching you and listening. So I'm going to mute you while I'm listening to your video. Thank you for coming in. If you comment, I will go to your home if you're a content creator. Muskeem, how you doing? Muskeem is here. Muskeem, I don't know what happened, but my algorithm is zero. But I'm not giving up. It's been like that for a month. It's just life, you know. I'm gonna keep pushing, and find out what it is that I need to do, you know. I'm at Desi Food. Desi, you have 50 likes on this. This is awesome. And I think I will definitely come back to it because my grandma used to cook this. My grandma is Indian. I don't know if you guys are aware. And she used to cook curry mango for us when we go there. I'm convinced she used to cook curry lizard too. I didn't eat a lot of things that were on my plate when I went there. Mhm. Yeah. I'm running Desi Food right now, guys. We're at the end of Desi Food. We're at the end of Desi Food for family. There's a lot of Desi Food, and I have a lot of friends that says Desi Food for family, Desi Food for something else. So I got to make sure I read which one it is. Yeah. All right, we just left Desi house. So I am gonna go over to Teresa's house where Teresa is saying raw and unedited weekend vlog at my mom's place after 10 years, my childhood. That's awesome. Teresa, I am loving this. She is cooking outdoors. I love this part of the culture, and I don't know if Teresa can tell me what it is, where the woman, African women, they cover themselves with a cloth. If you can tell me what's the name of the cloth in the chat, I would love to know. But I have always been someone that liked covering my body. I adore cover myself. Even when I was a little girl, I didn't like showing my body. So and trust me, I was well shaped. Because I have cousins that would say, I wish I had your shape in your uniforms. You know, they used to say, you're so well shaped. But I always liked covering my body. I like the way how the African women, they will be in a dress or a pants, but they use a cloth to cover their body, and that's what Teresa is doing in her video right now. Marciano, I gave you moderator yesterday, so why are you not blue? What is going on? Let me try it again. And let me add you again. Why are you not blue? What is going on? It says you're a standing moderator, so why are you not blue? I don't get it. Try again, Marciano, for me. Because it says you're a standing... Oh, there you go. I removed it and added back again to see what was the problem. Yeah, connect with each other. Marciano, connect with Marciano, guys. I'm at Theresa's house right now. I'm gonna go over to Muskan. I call her Muskan. She has the sweetest voice. Ah! This one he woke up early. You're not gonna watch Blippi? Let me put Gracie Corner on. Okay. When we leave Teresa, we're gonna go to Muscan. But Desi filled my chat. I can't click on Muscan's name. Muscan, are you here to comment? I can't click on your name because Desi Desi filled the chat. I can't click on. Oh, there's Muscan. I got your name now. Thank you, Desi, for keeping the chat active. Thank you so much for keeping the chat active. Thank you very much. I know that's what you do. I haven't seen Sanjay. Have you guys seen Sanjay from India? I'm at Muskan Zaheen. You guys can connect with Muskan Zaheen. Let me pin the person. There you go. I'm pinning Muskan. You guys can connect with Muskan. Ah, you're on your break. Okay. I will go over to your house after Muskan Masciano because I just left Muskan. Okay, Muskan is in the pin, guys. Have a good day at work. I took the day off to babysit. I'm off today and tomorrow. Today's my brother's birthday. Shout out to my brother. Happy birthday. Wherever you are, be blessed, be safe, be wise, make good decisions, you know. My brother was burnt on July 4th, guys, and we almost lost him. 70% of his body was burnt. I think it's 3 years ago we're going. So we're thankful he's alive, you know. God saved him for a reason because the reason he was saved is so he could help us with our dad when our dad passed last year from Alzheimer's. We as women didn't know how to handle it and we didn't want to put our dad in a home. So my brother, which has PTSD from the burn, helped as much as he could, and I'm sure it was difficult because he had very bad days and very good days. There were lots of bad days with him, but he was able to help us with my dad as much as he could, and you know that we appreciate him staying with our dad and making sure our dad was okay while I was at work. Yeah, lost my dad last year. My brother was really the full time caregiver, so I think God saved him for him to help us because my dad related with him more because my dad knew this when he forgot who my brother is, which was very seldom. He would say, what's his name again? He would say like that. He knew this person looks like him, so he knew this is family. So he was okay with that, you know. So I'm thankful God saved my brother to be able to take care of my dad, definitely. And I really think that was the reason my brother was saved. And just to let you know, July 4th is coming up. It's Independence Day here, and that's when he got burnt. Be careful when you're grilling, guys. My brother's shirt was flammable, and he was lighting the grill. But you know, a lot of people say school is not important. It is. My my brother remember to drop and roll when there's a fire. What you did? What you did? Yeah. So he dropped and rolled, and that's what saved his life. And his daughter pulled his shirt off him, and she got burned too because she's so brave. She's like him. She has his DNA like 99.9%. She is brave like him. She grabbed his shirt off him, his daughter. And while he was on fire, and she grabbed the shirt because it's the shirt that's caught on fire. So, you know, and when he went to the hospital, they were like, "You have an angel somewhere around here," because the fire did not get to his face, just his body. And they're like, "Look how the fire just touched. The fire just did where the shirt was, not his face or below the shirt." Amazing, totally amazing, guys. And he was in the burn unit and stuff, and but he survived. He's awesome. He does have PTSD when he loves to cook, but when he turns the stove on, he has PTSD. Definitely, he's he needs therapy, but our community, black men, yeah. So he has PTSD, and I think yeah, there's some few issues going on, but he helped us a lot with her dad. And today is his birthday, so happy birthday to my brother, Junior. Yes, yeah. Yeah, be careful when you're grilling, guys. And what happened is my brother was doing several things at the same time. His wife and his daughter was singing karaoke, and he is grilling, he is setting up the table, he is putting, that's our Jamaican men for you guys. They do everything. He's cleaning, he's setting up the grill, he's cooking, and the singing is there, and that's how he gets distracted and did the, so yeah, your clothes can be flammable, guys. Be careful, be careful while you're grilling during these summer events and holidays, okay? Be very careful. I am still at Theresa's house. She's cooking in the village. Theresa's TV. Guys, if you can connect with her. She's very supportive. Amazingly supportive. There's not one content I have uploaded and Teresa haven't commented on it. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Mashiach. Thank you. Be blessed and be safe. Have a good day at work. Yes, thank you. I will go to your home after we leave, Teresa, because I think you're next. Yeah. While you're at work, we'll go to your house. Guys, please connect with Marciano, please, and help him with his double age. Please connect with Marciano, help him with his double age, run a couple of his content, help him to grow, please. Yeah, but Teresa comments on every one of my uploads, guys. Everyone. Everyone. And another person is Dueno876 out of Jamaica. He comments on every upload and shares every upload I have. I noticed these two people. Theresa TV comments on every upload, and Duena shares, comments, and like. He does all the above. Duena876, guys. Yes. Marciano is here. We need to help Marciano to grow. So let's go over there and watch Marciano's highways and park nature. Yes, we're at let me see what Muscan Zine official. Let me go to Muscan and I am at Muscan's home where it says how to remove green screen in logo and save long video. Easy to apply video. Ooh, this boy is teething. He is biting me. You just feel the little teeth biting. You just feel the little teeth biting me, guys. All right, so just left Teresa. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it troublesome. Happy birthday to my brother. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my brother. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let's see if Teresa is still running, guys. Her content is 15 minutes, and trust me, she deserved that 15 minutes. Thank you so much, Desi, for connecting with Marciano. Please help him to grow and support his double H, please. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my brother. Happy birthday. I don't know if I have pictures. I'm making a video. A birthday video. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my brother. Happy birthday. Muskin is showing us how to remove green screen in logo. And Teresa is there. Teresa is raw and unedited weekend vlog at my mom's place after 10 years. My childhood. Awesome. Where you going? Let me Two more minutes. We're at Teresa's house. I did. I visited your side, Desi. I was at your home where you were making the mango. You did the mango with a lot of spices. Hmm. I left a comment. Muskin is playing ads, guys. I'm watching Muskin and she's playing ads. We're gonna go to Marciana now because I just left Teresa home. So I'm gonna go to Marciano now, guys. Oh, Hindu experience. Marciano is at the Hindu experience. Desi, I watched your video cooking the mango and I went to get a mango to eat. Guys, I'm at Marciano's house right now, and I want to hear what the Hindu experience was about. So I'm going to mute you while I'm listening to Marciano's Hindu experience. Okay? You can hear a little of Marciano's. I will visit your side, sweetheart. Desi, I just left your house. I'll go back. Those are Hindus. Hindus at Desi Food. At Marciano, please. Let me pin Marciano. I'm at Marciano house. Hindus experience at Marciano. Guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, please. Just like the live, share, subscribe. It is free. All three things. Share, click on subscribe, and like. Thank you so much. I am at Marciano's, the Pin house right now, where I'm watching his Hindu experience. So, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I am making breakfast and I am also giving double H. So my grandson now, he saw I turned on the skillet, and guess what? He went right up in his eye chair like, okay, let me have a seat in this restaurant and wait on my meal. As soon as he sees the food, he goes in his chair. That's why they know when they're doing bad and they know when they're doing good. They just test the waters. They just test the waters. I thank you to everyone, Marciano, Teresa, Desi Food, Mustang for coming in because that's what allowed me to go to your home. So guys, you when you click on the live, you never know if I'm gonna be able to review your work. So always click on the live to see if you get a free double H just right that. making breakfast for my grandson. Gonna put some yum yum, baby. Yum yum. Come in, come in. I'm here. If you don't come in, I won't know you were here, so I can go to your home. I'm here. This is not a silent live. I'm here. Feel free to comment, and I will go over to your home and check you out and see what you're up to. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Today is my brother's birthday. Happy birthday to my brother, guys. Hmm? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my brother. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my brother. Okay, eat out. When you finish that, you get your fruits. When you finish, I give you fruits, okay? Yum, yum, yum. All right. Let that cool down and wash it. Hi, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. It's free to hit your thumbs up. Double tap Rain's nose. Double tap his nose to see what happens. Click on Rain's nose twice. Oh, we're at Marciano's, the Great Outdoors Bell Fountain, Ontario, Canada. That's where we're at now. Mhm. Mhm. So if you comment, then I'll know you're here, so I can go to your home. Keep the chat active. Much love and appreciation. We're still at Marciano House. I might go back to Desi. Desi, are you here so I can go back to your house? Mhm. I'm doing an hour live in the morning, an hour in the afternoon, and in the evening. So you guys can always come back. I'm gonna make a thumbnail saying you missed your free double H. That's good. That's what I'm gonna make a thumbnail. You missed your free double H because you didn't come to this live. Always click on the live. You never know if I'm going to go to your home and review your contents, and that's giving you free double H. Always do that. I'm still at Marciana's home. I need to know if Desi's still here, so I go to Desi's house. If Let me know who's still here so I can go to your home. Thank you for the love. Yeah, we're still. All right. When you comment, I will go to your home. Otherwise, it's free to double tap Rain's nose. You can tap on his nose twice to see what happens. It's free to like, share, and subscribe. Double tap his nose and see what happens. Double tap Rain's nose. Yeah, click on his nose. If you brave, click on his nose and see what happens. Do it. Do it. Click on his pinky nose right there. He's a baby, guys. His color is just growing in. His mom was a white husky and the dad is black, but he got his mom color, but at the top part, my mom calls it the crown. It's growing in now. That black part is growing in now. But he's a baby. I don't think he's a year old yet. He's almost a year though. Maybe like 10 months. hmm So double tap his nose. Double tap his nose to see what happens. Click on his nose twice. Boom, 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 like that. Yeah, we're at Marciano's house. I'm going to go over to Dueno's house. Since he visited me this morning, I'm going to go over to his house while I'm live. I'm sure he's at work right now. So let's go over to Dueno. Dueno 876, guys. Game in YT pops up just like this. Why is it? Let's go over to Dueno and have some fun over Dueno Gaming. He's Dueno 876. Dueno 876 Gaming. He's not in the chat right now because he's at work, but because he's always my great supporter, I'm gonna run his content. I ran all his short content. I want to run a long one right now. Where's his long videos? Yeah, I'm gonna run Dueno's long Mobat Combat. I hope he does more of the race cars so I can watch them because I love race cars. All right, we're gonna do 20 minutes of Mortal Kombat. Bird Life is here, guys. Don't know why Bird Life is not blue and I just added him blue. Did I clean? Oh, I think I did clean out. Okay. Bird Life, comment again and let me know if you're here. I'm going to go to your home, Bird Life. Let me pin you right now. Okay, I'm going to go over to Bird Life. Bird Life is here. Bird's Life. When you're looking him up, it's Bird's Life. Let's go to Bird's Life. Hey, Bird's Life. Comment and let me know if you're still blue. Thank you so much for coming in. Connect with the people in the chat, Birds Live. Please go to their home and they'll come back to you. All these people I know are very supportive. Go to their home and they'll come back to you. Oh, I saw that one last night. Let me go to Bird Life. I'm looking for Bird's Life longest video to go to his to watch. Is this you, Bird's Life? Bird plus Nest? Is this you or another person? I'm at Bird's Life right now. Let's see who. We are blessed. We are blessed. We're hanging in there on our 0 views for the past month. No one's been coming to the live, but I haven't given up. I am just going. I haven't given up. I stuck out there and still live. I'm going to your house right now, Bird plus Nest. Oh, wow. Thank you for coming to our live. Thank you so much. Oh, it's you, Bird Life. Bird Life, what happened to Bird Plus Animals? How many do you have? Are they all you? I'm gonna subscribe. I'm subscribing to Bird Plus Nest right now. I'm watching Bird. What is this? Baby bird accidentally fell outside of Beth with heavy air. How many do you have, Bird Life? How many homes do you have? Yes, it's you. You understand. I'm at you everywhere, Bird Life. Bird Life, you need to give me one of your bird videos. Bird Life, you have a lot. This is 100,000 views. Are you kidding me, Bird Life? Michelle Lifestyle is here. Blessings, blessings. Michelle Lifestyle is here, guys. Yay, we have another home to visit. Awesome. Thank you for coming into the live. I'm at Bird Life House right now, and I'll go visit you in a few minutes when we get out of Bird's Life House and Birds Plus Nest. What? You're not educated? You educated enough to write. Stop it, Bird Life. Michelle, connect with Bird's Life. Connect with him. And, show some love to everyone in the chat, please. Marciano is here, but he's at work. Desi Food for Family. Mustang and Theresa TV. think Teresa is out of Nigeria. She's very supportive. There's not one upload that I have and Teresa haven't comment on it. So make sure you guys look out for Teresa TV. Definitely. Very supportive. Very supportive person. Every upload, Teresa is commenting. Every one of my uploads. I appreciate her so much. Right now, for the past month, I've been having 0 views. But guess what? Teresa is still here. Still here. That's what you know you're great supporters, you know them, acknowledge them and give them thanks, much love. Teresa TV out of Nigeria. Blessings. Yes, Travel No Frank is here, guys. You better connect, guys. I want to see some connection, guys. Because when I go to these homes, I'm looking to see if you connected. Yeah. There's lots of people in the chat to connect with, guys. Lots of people. I just gave my grandson breakfast. Hopefully, I can get him to eat for a few minutes in his eye chair. One is sleeping. That's the angel. The one that's sleeping is the angel. I need him to sleep as much as he can. I call him the angel, hoping that positive word will go inside his body. Yeah, yes. This is the one that flew through the window, if you remember. Yeah, so Bird Plus, if you need new friends, go to their home. You have the wings, fly, go to their homes and connect. Let them know just connected with you from Two Princess Live. I just connected with you. Let's connect. Hope to see you soon. Connect with each other. Morning, Traveler Frank. I'll go to your home after I leave Michelle's home, but I gotta finish Bird Life first. Let's finish Bird Life. Oh, he's finished eating, guys. You finished eating? He finished eating. You want to take a nap now? You okay? All right, I'm right here. Do we know? How are you doing, Travel? I. How you doing, Travel, Frank? I have. Please visit each other. Visit. We're still at Bird Life. Bird Life has kite babies, mature kite babies trying to get a flight out of their nest. Oh, they grow. It's really cool to watch the birds grow at Bird Life. Definitely. Okay, yes, we're at Bird's Life and Dueno 876. I got him running for his mortal combat. Okay, let me go over to Michelle. Michelle. Hey guys, All right, slow this down so I can get to Michelle. Yes, let's go over to Michelle. Michelle Lifestyle. Michelle, I think I was in your home this week, right? I think I went over to your home in the past few days. Michelle says, I am a Jamaican. First of all, let me tell you something. My channel is about my lifestyle. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned for great content. That's right. So now we are going to head over to Driving into the Sunset Must Watch. You get Bird Plus, go over to their home. Go go over to their home and you can write that in the comment when you finish watching. I hope you support me. Go to everybody's home in the chat, guys. That's how you gain. Me, when I go to your live or when I watch your uploads, I look in your comments and I pick a name. When I finish watching your upload, I pick a name and go to their home. Always look in the chat and connect with someone in a chat. Always, I randomly pick a name and say, let me go visit this person home. And especially if I've seen the name before, I'm going to go to your home. I do more supporting than uploading. I'm more like a supporter than my uploads. So I upload twice per week now. I used to upload once, so it's either once or twice. So you can look out for my long videos. Yeah, and please support me on those uploads. But right now I'm at Michelle, driving into the sunset. I just comment on Michelle's upload. I'll go to travel after Michelle. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Who did you connect with, Michelle? Was it Birds Plus, Birds Life? There's Bird Plus Nest, and there's Bird Life in here, Birds Life, and Travena Frank. Travel, are you here so we can go to your home? See, Bird Plus, you knew how to say hi, Michelle. Please put the shoes down. Shoes dirty. Never play with shoes. Put the shoes down. Shoes is always dirty. Bird, Bird's Life. Michelle connected with you. There you go. There's a connection. Make sure you show Michelle your Pakistan love. I wish I knew what Bird's Life face looked like, guys. I don't know how he get away with all these homes. He has like 3 homes and we can't see his face. I was doing this survey saying who is your most remembered supporter, and I put Bird's Life and they said, what does Bird's Life look like? I'm like, I don't know. Yes, and Birds Plus, yeah. Michelle said she connect with Bird Plus too. I said I don't know what this person look like or what. I could be talking to. A woman, a man, a baby. I don't know. How does he get away with doing that on YT? And has so many views, guys. Go look on Birds Plus. The video I just watched is 100,000 views. 100,000 views. I saw some birds at the zoo, Bird Life. I have some zoo videos. Oh, four? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Yeah, I saw some birds. There's some beautiful birds at the zoo. And they had some huge nests. Okay. All right, let's go to Travana Frank now. Hi, babies. And we're still at Birds Life. This one was still playing. Okay, let's go to Travana Frank. Michelle. I just left Michelle home. Let me go to Travana Frank. Yes, support each other, guys, please. You boo boo again. Oh my God. All right, one love, Michelle. I just went to your house. Thank you for coming in. Peace and love. Be safe. One love. Yes, yes, my Pakistan brother is very busy. At least I know. See, he say brother, so I'm gonna trust that he's my brother. Because the survey, I could not. I said, you know what? I've been calling him and saying he's my brother. What if he's not? That's hilarious. Yeah, BirdLife has no BirdLife. That's not fair. You should put a picture up. I know your religion allow you to put a picture. You teething. I can feel your warm mouth. And you're not gonna bite me again. No biting. Okay. We're at Travel House. Let's see what we're gonna watch over by Travel. A school in Africa. Okay, that's awesome. 340 views. Awesome. Let's go to a school in Africa, guys. Yeah, we're at a school in Africa at Travana Frank. Is this a live or a video? How long is it? Okay, I'm gonna let it run and see. I don't want to not watch a full video, so let me make sure. Travel, are you here? You hear my teething grandson? He's teething. Be right back. I'm gonna clean up my grandson. This is your second one. Boy, as you eat your poo poo poo. As soon as you eat, you poo poo poo. You poo poo poo. You poo poo poo. I'm babysitting today. That's why I'm not at work, guys. I'm babysitting my grandchildren, so I'm not at work today. My daughter has to work at the hospital today. Double tap the screen, guys. If you're here, comment and I can go to your home if you're a content creator. It is free to double tap Rain's nose. You see that pink spot on his nose? Double tap, double tap. All right? Peace and love. Yeah, my daughter, grandson, she has three. She has three, and I'm babysitting them. And they're all babies. One is 1, 2, and 5. Oh God. He's climbing on me right now. He's climbing on me. It's no joke, guys. Boys are not easy. I have 2 girls. So my 2 girls were just play with their dolls and everything. This one is climbing on my head. Oh God. Oh my goodness. They are no joke. We were cleaning the house. We were cleaning the house at 2 o'clock in the morning. Every night we gotta clean the entire house. When they go to bed, and it they will. Oh my goodness, boys are different. The cops, they will spill the juice. They 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 different. They different. Let me get the wipes. I'm about to change him. I gotta get the wipes, trash bag, everything. So I'll mute you while I'm changing him. Thank you, Birdlife. Thank you so much. Yes, it's no joke. Boys are different. I had 2 o'clock in the morning. We were cleaning, guys, cleaning because it's hot. It's summer, and we can get ants. So we gotta clean. I had to take off from work because my daughter doesn't have anyone to watch them, and she don't want to send them to daycare and school because you don't know what those people would do, to your child when they're so young. You get it? So, like me, I'm grandma, and trust me, it hurts me when I have to get mean with them and say, "Stop it now." It hurts me. I want to cry when I scold them. I want to cry when I scold them, but I have to scold them sometimes. But my daughter spoils them. She don't want you to scold them at all. And I'm really patient, but when they're out of control, I get stern with them. But my daughter is like, they're a baby, leave them alone. $50,000. I need $5. You want 50,000? I need 5. I give you my PayPal. I know your country has PayPal or what is it? Buy coffee? Buy me a coffee. People in Pakistan is rich. Don't you guys have oil? Don't you guys have oil? Pakistan has oil, right? Show Queen Taj Kitchen is here. Guys, give some love. We're still at Traveler Frank house, guys. We're at Traveler Frank house, and we're gonna go to Show Queen Taj Kitchen. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Show Queen Taj Kitchen. I'm already subscribed to Show Queen Taj Kitchen, so I'm gonna go look for Show Queen Taj Kitchen. Your latest video, okay? We're gonna go to Chana Dal Vada Kurkur Chapate Mazidar Barishke Mosam Gelai. I'm right there. Thank you so much for the like. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate you. I am at your home right now. Let me comment. BirdLife, can you connect? Are you still here, BirdLife, or you went to sleep? I know it's nighttime for you. Let me make sure. While I'm at Show Queen Taj Kitchen, I am going to double check that my notification is set as all, which it wasn't. So I had to do that. I changed it to all notification. I clicked on the bell and I saw it wasn't at all. So I had to click all, and then I'm here. Okay, so always make sure you check the notifications. Go into yours and make sure. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I remember you told me. And in Jamaica, it's almost $200 per one US. Crazy, right? We're still at Travena Frank also. Travena Frank is at a school in Africa. Show Queen, can you go to everyone's house in the chat and connect with them, please? Connect with them. We're at your house and Travena Frank house. Let me wash my hands, guys. Oh, let me put this dirty shoes. I hate dirty shoes. Oh, their dad is going to work. He sleeps until it's time to go to work. God bless him. We're still at Travena Frank home. Anyone else in this chat? We're at Show Queen home also. We're making Chana Dal Vada Kurki Chapate Mazidar Barish. Guys, don't forget to watch my new uploads weekly. I had something that was uploaded yesterday. Please support my uploads. Say something in the comments, guy, so I can go to your home. Oh, hi, big boss lady. Let me give you your. Are you still here, big boss lady? Oh, Nightbot, be nice. Big boss lady is my sister. Big boss lady is my sister, Nightbot. I didn't see you, big boss lady. Come back, big boss lady. Come back, come back. let me let me go over to big boss lady house. You see that? 17 people watching. Wow. Hey, big boss lady, I just saw that you were here. I didn't see. I'm so sorry I missed you. But I'm heading over to Big Boss Lady Tea House, guys. Let's go over and support Big Boss Lady Tea House. I am here on my live and coming over. Big Boss Lady, I hope you come back because it's not even a silent live, but I didn't see you. We're on. I'm at Big Boss Lady's home, strolling through a neighborhood with stunning column trees, and surprise, it's a wedding. Oh, it's beautiful. That's why they chose the wedding there. This Big Boss Lady. I wonder when it's Big Boss Lady birthday. This Boss Lady remind me of a Pisces. Oh, are you going to a wedding? Big Boss Lady, are you here? Kayla Boo. Hi, Kayla Boo. How you doing? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the love that you give to me. I'm actually, I'm at Big Boss Lady's house. Let me go over to you, my friend, to see what you have been doing today. Ooh, hey, Kayla. I am at your house. How you doing? Let me see. Let me see which one of your uploads I'm gonna. Me singing. Let me hear Kayla singing. I want to hear Kayla sings. Thank you so much for the big likes. Don't forget to check my new uploads every week. I have an upload video. Yesterday was one, and tomorrow will be another one. Yeah, so check out my weekly uploads. I am going to your home right now. If you want to connect with anyone in the chat, feel free. I just gave you your wings to fly. Kayla, you finished singing so quick. I gotta look for some more videos. That was too short. If you're here in the live, please comment so I can go over to your home and support you. I am at Big Boss Lady T home right now watching her stroll through a wedding. She's strolling through a wedding, guys. Yes, she is strolling through the wedding. It's a beautiful view. We are at Caleb Boo House, GTA Vice City, definitely definitive edition. You're going to find out who took her. Uh-oh, who took her coca? Coca. Caleb Boo's house. We're at Caleb Boo's house and we're gonna find out who took her coca. Yeah. So I'm here, I'm live. So if you comment, I'll know you're here. Don't forget to double tap Rain's nose. Yes, double tap Rain nose to see what happens when you double tap his nose. Double tap his nose. Yeah, I'm running Kayla here. All right, I'm not gonna run any. Oh, it's still not charged. So let me keep charging. I'm gonna charge and then I'm gonna go in the backyard and clean the backyard by myself. Um, it's really their dad should be cleaning this backyard, but because I want them to go in the backyard, I'm gonna clean it right now. Yeah, but I'm here. I am here. This is not a silent lie. Just hang around in the comment if you don't hear me, and I'll be there in a minute. Hmm? I'm at Kayla Boo's house right now. Yeah, I am at Kayla Boo's house right now. Don't forget to double tap Rain's nose. This is Rain. Double tap his nose to see what happens. Double tap Rain's nose. See that pink nose? Tap, tap. Twice. A wedding in Bosnia. Let's go to a Kenyan wedding in Bosnia. Traveler Frank is going to a Kenyan wedding. Hi.
Hi, Grandma.
You all right?
No.
What's wrong, baby?
The iPad.
Hard.
It got me to this. It got me to this, Grandma.
Okay. Do another game, man. Mm-hmm.
Meow. Meow.
Coming in the chat, and I'll go to your home. You won?
One is the race master 3D car racing.
Mm.
It's a really long word.
Yeah?
You
like playing with cars.
Yeah, like
Well, how about playing with your dolls?
I have a lot of dolls.
You play with them?
Yes, but
you gotta dress them up, comb their hair, and put their clothes on, and
whoa, this is hard. Whoa, this is like making me a little dizzy. Whoa, gotta keep, but move. No.
you lost.
Mhm.
Well, that's good. You lost and you didn't cry. That's being a big girl. We know sometimes we're gonna lose, but we try harder and we win the next time, right?
Yeah, and I won the hard level because I skip.
you skip, and win.
Yes. 40 dirty. 40 dirty. 40 dirty. 40 dirty.
All my grandchildren love sausages.
All your grandchildren?
Every one of them loves sausage. Not one of you don't eat sausage. Everybody eats sausages. Chicken sausage.
I eat real sausage.
Yeah.
Because I really like it.
I know you like it.
Eat the world.
You want to eat the world?
Yes, it's just like a thing, and I'm not downloading it. It's not.
Okay. Going from one wedding to the next. I was at
Yum.
boss lady's wedding. Now I'm going to Travina Frank wedding in Kenya. No, it's actually a Kenyan wedding in Botswana. Kenyan wedding in Botswana.
Yum.
Coming in, guys. Coming in. Coming in. Come in the chat and talk so I can see who you are. Who you are.
I can see them.
Nightbot run away, my sister. Really, Nightbot?
Oh, I just found the treasure.
Nightbot, you ran away, my sister. Be nice. Lady Boss is my sister. Go call her back. Nightbot.
And I can't get.
Wait a minute. Are you watching? Stop. Stop what you're doing right now. Double tap Rain's pink nose. Double tap his nosy. Double tap your screen. If you're right there right now, stop what you're doing. Let's give a thumbs up to the live. I'm at Travina Frank house watching this wedding. They have a whole different tradition with the wedding. It's so different. It's very lively. You know, their wedding is lively. It's not boring.
Whoa. Got this. This is so cool. Now look at this.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. We're still at Kayla Boo's house where we're going to find out who took her coca. Who took Kayla Boo's coca? And we're at Travina Frank Kenyan wedding in Botswana.
I lost again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lost my second.
All right, guys, you're gonna miss getting your free double age. Free double age. Come on, AI, let them know we giving away free double age. Free double age. I'm about to leave right now anyway because the babies are up. So when their mom come, I'll come back live. But peace and love. I love you all. Thank you for coming in. I hope you did double tap this screen like I asked you. Please go over and watch my contents. I have new uploads every week. New uploads every week. Every week I have a new video, so please support my long videos. Blessed love. Thank you. Love each other. Be safe. Treat everyone the way you would want to be treated. And guidance. One love.